5 verbs that require a preposition as Gaeilge. Help. Cudgy le. Ná cairí le. Mar hampla. Cudjoí mé leat. I will help you. Cudjoí mé leat. Meet. Búil le. Bhúil mé leis inné. I met him yesterday. Watch. Amharc air. Amharc air, which can also be translated as look at. Dark mé scanán a rare. Dark mé scanán a rare. I watched a film last night. Freastal air. Freastal air. To attend. Drastal muid an scoil a chéine. We attended the same school. Éist le. Listen to. Éistim le podcréalú as Gaeilge achan lá. Éistim le podcréalú as Gaeilge achan lá. I listen to a podcast in Irish every day. Did you already know these? Did you forget these? Is this new information? Let me know in the comments.